right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about deals on Amazon for Black Friday. Now, these lists are generally people just trying to make a buck, so I will have both an affiliate link and the name of the tool next to it if you don't want to support the channel for whatever reason. Don't click the link, but they will be affiliate links. All right, so I went through 40 plus pages of BS for y'all to find you good deals on tools on Black Friday. A lot of the stuff really doesn't apply to anything we do. I mean, you know, locks and stuff like that. But anyway, all the stuff in this video is stuff I'm familiar with, have tested, or is well regarded in the industry, i.e. Sunex. Everybody loves Sunex. So nothing in here is stuff that I would not recommend you buy, except one exception at the end. But if you like bling, you might want it. So I included it. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is FLIR thermal imaging cameras. Now they've got some good deals, some decent deals. The first one we're going to look at is the FLIR TG267. It's a thermal camera. FLIR, I believe it has Bosch sensors, but I think all of them have Bosch sensors, but don't quote me on that. But FLIR is the industry leader for thermal cameras. 18% off at $449. They also have the 165, which is smaller, etc., for $299, and that's 33% off. The rest of them are higher end, more expensive, so we're kind of not going to focus on those. Next up, we've got Streamlight. Now, I've used a Stryon for years, and excellent flashlights, and we've got some options here. We've got the MicroStream, which I'm not super familiar with, but the Stylus Pro is pretty much the given for anybody that uses a Penlight, and everybody loves them. Personally, I don't, but it's a good flashlight. They also have the ProTac, which is a little thicker, a little bigger. All right, so next up we got the Sunex half-inch drive Impacta hex driver set. Now it's kind of a little on a fringe case because it's half-inch drive but goes down to 6mm and 1/4 inch. But 19mm 3/4 comes in handy for like Volkswagen, older Volkswagens with the 17 or 19mm hex. It's 46% off at $87.99. So it's something you use and might need. Really good deal. They're really solid sockets. All right, next up is IRWIN HANSON and their Lugnut Extractor set 5-piece. You ever dealt with locking lug nuts, the old style, not with the spinny rim, but the old style that's just a key. There's no, you know, anti-theft device other than the key itself. These work really well on getting those out. They're a little thick, so they need to be aware of that on like aluminum wheels. Some of them will be a little tight. Some may not fit, but they do work well when they fit. So that one's 15% off. Not a huge deal, but you know, if you're looking for Lugnut Extractor set, pretty good deal. All right, next up, we got OLIGHT. I know there's a lot of flashlights in here, but that seemed to be a lot of what was on sale. I don't make the sales. I just talk about them. OLIGHT Seeker is one of my go-to flashlights. This is the 3 Pro, 4200 lumens. Excellent flashlight. It's 30% off. Now, keep in mind, I'm no longer sponsored by OLIGHT. I haven't been in contact with them for several years. I still use their flashlights. Just a note, their batteries can be a little iffy. Battery life is fantastic. It's just all of a sudden the batteries just die. So something to be aware of, but it's a really good flashlight. Really works well. So this is the updated model. It's 30% off. i3T, which a lot of people loved when I had those. I gave those away to people. It's a, you know, lithium ion battery. Works really well. You can clip it on your hat. Excellent deal at 25% off. Now this one I don't get. I'll be honest, but a lot of people love these flat flashlights, and so they're really popular. And having worked with OLIGHT and still use their products, this is a flat flashlight. It's got green and white LEDs, 1000 lumens, built-in battery, etc., and it is 30% off. If you like this style of flashlight, this is a really good option. I know some people that have this particular flashlight and love it. Not my style, though. But if you're interested, there it is. Now, this last one, I don't recommend. I'll be honest with you, I've not had the best of luck with SK wrenches. I've only tested one, and it shattered, and I was worried I broke something on customer cars doing the wrench test video a while ago. These are a different style than I used, so I can't tell whether or not they're good construction, but they are really pretty wrenches. They're SK chrome. So if you're interested in the bling or possibly some good wrenches, they look really similar to the Mac wrenches in form factor and kind of everything on them, making me kind of wonder if they're not rebranded, because they look a lot like the Mac set that I've talked about and reviewed. They could be that set, they may not be, but they're really pretty. And if you like the Instagram shots of pretty chrome, they're 20% off. That's all I'm saying about this. I'm not recommending you buy them. I'm just saying they've got them and they're for $74. So, and it's 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter. So 12-piece kit with their super chrome finish. Like I said, not recommending them. I'm just telling you the deals out there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, there'll be affiliate links in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.